What's good, my peeps? This is Vic with Vic's Venerated Vlogs, and today I am going to check out my brand new limited edition, only 1,975 made XMAXX Monster Truck Bigfoot 50th year anniversary edition. So it's still in the box, all wrapped. I know a lot of people say that a number that's on it does not represent what number is actually tied to your vehicle, but I'm going to see. My number says 152. Don't know if that's the case or not, but I'm curious. Let's just see. I don't know if I'll even take the whole thing out. I just want to see what number is on the box. So let's get this thing going. It's not going to be a long video. I just want to see what I have and share it with everyone and see what next steps I might take. All right, here we go. Let's take this off. And while I'm doing this, I bought a few of the siblings along to check out this spectacle. So in the corner, I have my other XMAXX. I have the XRT. I have the Ultimate Raptor over there just peeking, and some of the other people that are going to be siblings are in other rooms. So let's just see. All right, got that off. And I'm doing this to preserve it because I'm probably going to store it like this. So I just want to see how this works out for me. Oh, it's so satisfying. Oh, in the box. Okay. So let's see. I'm going to try to get this thing fully out because for those of you that want to know what side the remote is typically on, it's typically on the side that has the color of whatever vehicle you have. So since this is only in one color, I want to see what the other side looks like. So I'm going to take this whole thing out. Let's just see what it looks like. This thing is big. Oh. Get this out of the way for right now. All right. If you hadn't seen it in the store, this is what the box looks like. Let me check both sides. Okay, it doesn't show that side. Doesn't show this side, but typically I'm going to think it's on this side. So this is the side I'm going to open. All right, let's hope that this is it. Okay, it is not the correct side, but I do see a golden bumper. So I guess I do have to take it out. This is so cool. Gold wheels. That looks very cool. We have the body, and I could just take a peek on here. I am number 145. 145 of 1975. So my Traxxas 50th year anniversary Bigfoot is number 145. Let me see one of those cameras. Let me see this camera. 145 of 1975. That is so awesome. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I have less than 150. 145 is a cool number. I'm ecstatic about that. The box said 152. I'm actually number 145. I don't know how to feel about that because, wow, I'm ecstatic. So I don't know if I'm going to put this on display. I don't know if I'll even run it. I do want to run it because I love to run all my RC cars, but what I might do is tow it around with one of my Tamiya's semis and make this thing work, just towing it. But I'm 145, y'all. So subscribe, like, let me know in the comments if you want to see it run. Do I need to go buy a second one just to run it for you guys? Here we go. I'm down. I'm in. So as a quick update, I was calling to let my cousin who's in Birmingham know that I got one, and I had been talking to him about it because he also collects RCs and runs RCs. And I shared him my number, which is 145. And I'm still ecstatic. I apologize. So he was like, well, let me see what number I have. So here's a quick shot of me talking to him on the phone about which number he has. So congrats to everybody that went ahead and picked one up. These are going to be valuable beyond belief, I'm sure. And with this number, I have 145, y'all. I'm thinking about just going to get another one just so I could drive it around and save this one. So we'll see. Y'all know that these things are not cheap. They're very limited. So I know I might be just talking crazy right now, but I don't want to drive this. This is 145 collector's items. So here's a shot of me and my cousin chatting about his unboxing. Get this out the box single-handedly. No, I just want to see what number I got. Come on, come on. Let's see. Can I see through? Oh boy. Okay, I don't know if you can see this. Okay. Wear some light. Wow. 658. That's cool, man. That is cool. So 658, I have 145. So are you gonna drive it? What you gonna do, man? No, I'm not gonna drive it. I'm a shell queen. That's cool, man. So I gotta. If I do drive it, it's gonna be like in the house, just run it. Yeah, man. Hard. This is epic, bro. I have 145, and you have 658. So both under 1,000. I'm in the 100s. This is so cool. Yeah, I can't. Yeah. I can't. I got bragging rights now. I have bragging rights. Yeah, you definitely do. You got within in the hundreds. 145. 145. Yeah. That's a cool number. I'll go with it. That's a very cool number. They had 3 at my store, and I picked the one. They had them stacked up. I picked the one in the middle. I said, I'm feeling the one in the middle. I'm wondering, should I got the one on top now? No, you should have got the exact one you got. Because before I got this one, they had one more in the back, and they didn't have the cardboard box. So I said, give me the cardboard box. I want to just be fully surprised. This is perfect. I'm very pleased, and I'm happy for you too. You have 645. That's a cool way. I guess all the numbers could be cool, but you know, cool, man. Yeah. All right. All right, brother. All right. I'll talk to you later. Yes, sir. I'm in. So, hope you enjoyed this quick video. I know a lot of other videos are out there. I have not seen any XMAXX running yet with this setup. I've seen the Stampede version, but not the XMAXX. So again, I'm number 145 of 1975. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.